Have you ever wondered why some electromagnets are super strong, while others are, well, kind of weak? Why can one lift heavy metal, and another can't even pick up a tiny pin? Today, we'll unlock the secret. What controls the strength of an electromagnet? Hello, Cubs! Welcome back to Curious Cub, where science becomes easy and fun. In the last episode, we learned about electromagnets, and today we'll go deeper. First, let's understand. What does strength really mean? Strength of an electromagnet means how powerful the magnet is, or how much load it can attract. A strong electromagnet can lift heavy iron objects, while a weak one can only pick up small pins. Now comes the main question. What makes an electromagnet stronger or weaker? First, the number of turns of wire. If you increase the number of turns of the wire around the iron core, the electromagnet becomes stronger. More turns equals a stronger magnetic field. Second, the strength of the current. If you increase the electric current, the magnetic field becomes stronger. More current equals more strength. And third, the nature of the core material. The material inside also matters. Soft iron is the best material for making electromagnets because it becomes magnetized quickly and also loses magnetism quickly. Imagine you made two electromagnets, one with 10 turns of wire and one with 50 turns of wire. Which one will be stronger? Yes, the one with 50 turns. Now imagine, same coil, but one battery is stronger. The one with stronger current will create a stronger magnet. So, strong electromagnets are actually used in all sorts of places, like cranes to lift really heavy scrap metal electric motors, MRI machines, and even electric bells. That's why, being able to control their strength is super important. All right, Cubs, let's test your brain. Which of the following increases the strength of an electromagnet? Is it A, decreasing turns of wire, B, increasing current, or C, using a plastic core? Go ahead and comment your answer below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Curious Cub. In the next episode, we'll continue with part 4, Strength of Electromagnet. We're going to go deeper and check out more examples and applications. Plus, you'll find out how a bell rings step by step.